Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro Yen 1 hour time frame, yesterday I was saying, if it breaks struts into the downside at a fib level, go short. But if it doesn't, just hold on to your logs and continue to look for logs. What ended up happening is it never broke struts or at a Fibonacci level, so there was really no reason to ever go short. This to me looks like an ABC correction. Most ABCs do take out the high of wave A in a downtrend, so there's probably a chance that this will go up at least to these highs before it goes down. Now, we did get a pretty impulsive move down, and it did kind of break structures, so keep an eye on it because not always do wave Cs take out the high. It could possibly make a lower high and go down. I am definitely still primarily on the short side, looking for shorts. But like I said, I think it would make a lot more sense if it did something like that before it actually went down, grabbing the liquidity from the high of wave A before it continues back down for either a wave 3 or possibly a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.